Introducing the Oliver Speedseal Bagger System, Model 311, the perfect solution for bundling cold and shelf-stable items quickly and efficiently. With its auto-open bag feature, this machine eliminates the cumbersome step of opening each bag with gloved hands, making the process faster and more hygienic. The Oliver Speedseal Bagger System, Model 311, also gives you the option to choose a right or left-mounted tape sealer, maximizing process flow and efficiency. With several color tape options and multiple bag sizes available, you can easily identify meal types and ensure that the right meals are delivered to the right customers. This machine is also incredibly compact, with a footprint that is less than 2 feet by 2 feet. Its lightweight design makes it easy to store away when not in use, freeing up valuable counter space. And with its standard 120 volts 1 amp, the Oliver Speedseal Bagger System Model 311 allows you to bundle your cold and shelf-stable items quickly and efficiently, making it an easy addition to any kitchen or meal packaging operation. For more information on the Oliver Speedseal Bagger System Model 311, visit us at oliverquality.com.